Okay, how long will it take to hit 3 kilograms? I will be reading and interpreting at the same time. Solution: how long points to time, time equal to nothing, will it take to hit 3 kilogram? Kilogram, which is mass, is 3 kilogram. Okay, from 8 degrees Celsius, sorry, from 28 degrees Celsius, that means your temperature 1 is 28 degrees Celsius to 88 degrees Celsius. That means temperature 2 is temperature 2 is 88 degrees Celsius. In an electric kettle, taking a current of, you have been given current to be 6 ampere from an electromotive force source of 220 volts. That volts takes you to voltage to be 220 volts. You are asked to find a time using the formula. Okay. Now, the formula is I v t equal to mc into change in temperature. That's temperature 2 minus temperature 1. In this case, this is the specific heat capacity of water, which is constant, equal to 4,200 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Now you are asked to find the time. So in this case, make the time the subject of this formula. So therefore, time will be equal to mc change in temperature all over IV. By substitution, what is m? M is 3 times what is C? 4,200 times the temperature change will be into 88 minus 28 close. All divided, what is I? I is 6 ampere. And what is phi? Phi is 220 volts. Okay. By further working on this is 3 times 4,200 will give you 12,600. Now multiply by 88 minus 28 will give you 60. All divided by, if you multiply 6 by 220, it will give you 1,320. Then if you further use your calculator to multiply this by this and then divide it by this, it will give you 572.7, and then the unit is seconds. As simple as this. So what I want you to do for me right now is subscribe to the YouTube channel and then share the video. Thank you.